Again.
My name is Hafifa Garepirzadeh. I am from 7th standard. My school name is Junaidia English Medium School, Kudachi. Our team name is GEMS. We are 3 members. Hafifa Garepirzadeh, class 7th.
Zia Pirzadeh, class 7th.
Sharia Shamlewale, class 8th.
Problem statement. A fast moving vehicle can hit the highway divider or other vehicle. A vehicle trying to park may hit the wall behind it. The objective of my project is to introduce a device which can protect above problem by giving an alarm sound or beep if a vehicle comes closer to the divider of the highway while running. A vehicle comes very close to another vehicle, or a vehicle comes very close to the wall behind it while parking. There are dozens of sensors fitted into the modern car nowadays which work in preventing accidents, but those sensors devices work for that particular vehicle. 80% of the vehicles do not have any sensor fitted. This study introduces and proposes a sensor device which is not fitted to the vehicle but inside a divider or wall of the parking area. It works on the principle of do not hit me. But ultimately, safety is for our vehicle.
Transportation is part and parcel of life. We cannot avoid vehicle. Life is precious. Safety of human life is paramount. Hundreds of thousands of people die every year in accidents like hitting the divider of highway while driving very close to other vehicle or while trying to park. To prevent some of them, our vehicle safety device introduces a passive safety plan which works on the principle of do not hit me or collide with me. But ultimately, safety is of both. This vehicle safety device will not be installed in your vehicle but may be installed on the backyard wall where you are trying to park your vehicle, inside the highway divider, on other vehicle's body to which your car may collide. In this vehicle safety device, I am using an Arduino board connected with ultrasonic sensor. A small battery is powering the Arduino board, which in turn, according to its programmed code, continuously sends instruction to ultrasound sensor to find distance of any vehicle coming near to it. If distance is calculated less than a meter, it will alarm. This process is repeated for every millisecond.
Hardware: first Arduino Uno, second ultrasonic sensor, third LED, fourth buzzer, fifth battery, sixth few jumper wire, seventh USB cable. Software: first Arduino IDE, second code to be injected into Arduino. Arduino board is a microcontroller which can be programmed according to our needs. It has 3 sections: power section, digital section and analog section. Ultrasonic sensor. It is used to detect the distance of an object using sonar technology. It has 4 pins: trigger, echo, VCC and GND.
Now let us demonstrate our project. Suppose this is highway divider. Our vehicle safety device is fitted. If we take our car near to this highway divider, see, it is alarming. We move away from here to avoid an accident. Now suppose this is another vehicle where a vehicle safety device is fitted. Both vehicles are moving. If our vehicle goes near to the body of another vehicle, the vehicle safety device is alarming me to move away. Let me demonstrate one more application of this device. Vehicle safety device is fitted to this wall where I am trying to park our vehicle. If our vehicle comes very close to this wall, the device is alarming, preventing a collision.